Let it snow.
Can't wait for the snow.
Let it snow. Let it snow.
No more singing.
It's not singing when I do it.
Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
We recently got the snowblower, and I don't know how to use it, and we're expecting some snow this week, so I asked Dale to show me how to use it. All right, Dale, what do we do?
Well, we start with a history lesson.
No.
Yes. Not surprisingly, the snowblower was invented in Canada because we got some snow here. And even less surprisingly, it was invented by a farmer in Quebec in 1925. So the first thing that we do, as you saw, I pulled this. It just lays over for storage. And there's 3 different safeties on here. So see these little black handles? We just pull these in. That just locks this in place. And this one here has an extra little nib that fits into here. So that's one safety. The other safety is the key that's under here. So that goes in. You want to make sure that it clicks right in like that. And then the third one is right here.
How come you could pull that right now?
Because there's no batteries in it.
Aha. Aha. Okay.
So our batteries go in here. Now we have 2 12-amp batteries and 1 9-amp battery. And the 3 of them look the same, other than this says 12-amp.
Okay.
Now it's important when you put the batteries in that they match.
Okay.
So don't put a 9 and a 12. You always put 2 12s.
Okay.
Also, you want the batteries charged to the same battery level when you put them in. Right? So these are both fully charged. So that's perfect. Okay. So you just open that and you can just slide them in. And I think you'll be happily surprised how easy these go in. Bam.
Yeah, that is easier than most. Okay.
Now you're charged and ready to go. So our power button's on the top. Once it comes on, you can see what both batteries are. So you can see they're both fully charged. Now the paddles move the auger. So this one turns it this way. This one turns it this way. And shoot the snow wherever you want to go.
Okay.
And then you also have down here this button on the bottom. When we pull it on, it gives us the different levels that it can go.
What do you mean different levels?
The speed. So this is really fast. This is econo. This is medium.
So how do you actually start it?
So you pull your safety up, and you can hear it click. Then you turn your power on. And there you can hear it running. And you can hear when you change this speed, how fast it goes and how slow.
Okay, so the safeties are on the bar. This key is all the way in. You're gonna pull the bar and then press the on button.
Yep.
All right, here we go. Woohoo! Wait, how do I make it? I think we forgot something. If I want the snow to blow further, how do I make the snow blow further?
On the auger,
Okay.
there's a little wing nut.
Oh, yeah. Okay. On this side, right? Not on this side.
Yeah.
Only this side?
Only on one side.
Okay.
Just loosen that. Righty tighty.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Lefty loosey. Hold on. Lefty loosey. Wow, that was really tight. And then move this so it blows up. And righty tighty. Okay, safety.
Yep.
Start. Okay, now let's try.
Ah, let's go.
Woo! Fun.
That is snow good.
Is there anything else we need to know, Dale?
Well, the neighbors are going to be so jealous of you out there. But when you put it away, you want to take the batteries out, put them in the chargers that we have downstairs, fold the handle up and put the cover on.
And look, it has headlights. How cute.
How cute.
So now I know how to use the snowblower in case my husband dies before I do. Yay!